Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the karaoke text color in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in a song lyric. Something like that. Maybe I'm just going to do it's like in lowercase, sorry. You can also select the font first. Once you're done, you're going to go to animation. Make sure your text is a little bit longer. And you're going to select the in animation. You're going to find the karaoke one, which is the blue one right here. And you're going to also make the duration longer as well here. I'm just going to make it till the end of the... it's too long. Maybe until up to here. Right click, create compound clip, go to adjustments, and you're going to turn down the saturation. You're going to up the brightness. You're going to, I think I'm going to leave the contrast alone. You're going to up the highlights and up the shadows and just leave it like that. First, go to media, go to library, and select the color that you want in background, or you can like copy and paste your own. I think I'm just going to use this color. You can use, again, any color that you want. Go to video, go to basic, go to blend mode, and you are going to select the overlay one. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!